Science and Discovery, Wind Power Pinwheel. In the bustling town of Windville, nestled between towering trees and sunny meadows, every Monday was a special day. It was Science and Discovery Day. On this particular Monday, 6 curious children gathered in the school's outdoor playground, eager to explore the world around them. With excitement brewing in their eyes, the children stared at the magnificent spinning pinwheel that stood tall in the middle of the playground. "What makes this pinwheel spin so fast?" wondered little Timmy, the youngest of the group. Mrs. Greenleaf, the wise and patient teacher, addressed the children. "Let's find out together. Remember, it's all about observing, testing ideas, and asking questions." The children watched as the wind danced through the leaves of the towering trees and moved objects in its path. "Ah!" shouted little Timmy, pointing towards a swinging door. "Isn't that how the pinwheel spins?" Mrs. Greenleaf nodded in approval and guided the children towards a wind-catching experiment. "Let's see what happens when we place this piece of paper here." As they placed a piece of paper in the path of the wind, the children watched with amazement as the paper caught the wind and began to dance. "See how the wind moves the paper? That's what makes our pinwheel spin," exclaimed little Timmy. The children were determined to learn more. Mrs. Greenleaf provided each child with a variety of pinwheel designs, and they eagerly tested them in the windy playground. Together, the children constructed their very own pinwheels, each featuring a unique design. "I can't wait to see how my pinwheel spins," exclaimed a beaming little Timmy. With their creations at the ready, the children reassembled in the playground to see their pinwheels in action. They watched with wide eyes as each design spun at different speeds. Mrs. Greenleaf asked each child a question about what they had learned that day. "Why do you think some pinwheels spun faster than others?" she queried. The children excitedly shared their insights and findings with one another. "Mine spun the fastest because it had more blades," said a confident little Timmy. As the sun set over the bustling town of Windville, the children left the playground with newfound knowledge and a sense of accomplishment. They understood that with curiosity, observation, and experimentation, they could learn anything